Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying Windows 10 and noting whether you have 64-bit or 32-bit, because that determines the JDK installer you need. Next, download the JDK 11 or newer exe for your architecture and run it as administrator to avoid permission problems. Choose Custom Install to pick a clear path like C, /program files /java /JDK version. Once done, leave the installer open long enough to copy the exact install path. You will need it to set environment variables. You now configure environment variables so Windows recognizes the JVM. Open System Properties, Advanced, Environment Variables, create Java Home pointing to the JDK install folder you noted. Then edit the user path and add %Java Home %bin at the front so Java and Javac are found first. Make sure to close and reopen any terminal windows. Windows caches path. Once done, run cmd and type Java version and Javac version to confirm the correct release appears, and that both tools. You finish by validating a simple program. Create Hello World. Java, compile with Javac Hello World. Java, then run Java Hello World to confirm the JVM runs your bytecode. If commands fail, first make sure you reopen terminals. Windows often requires a restart of Explorer, exe, or a full reboot to apply path changes. Make sure there are no typos in Java Home or path entries. If permissions block execution, run the command prompt as administrator or reinstall the JDK using an admin account to resolve access problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.